Hi, it's Kris German from the Apartment Dealer, and I just listed another multifamily property here for sale, this time in the city of Covina. 12 units, and the property offers private seller financing. Not to mention, with the current rents, day one, this property offers a 6.3% cash-on-cash return. When's the last time you heard a property offering that type of return in the Eastern San Gabriel Valley, over a 6% true cash-on-cash return? Location. The property is in a prime location. We're talking about minutes to downtown Covina, where you have small shops, restaurants, and so forth. The West Covina Mall, 10 Freeway, and all the rest. The property is comprised of 1 2-bedroom, 2-bath oversized unit and 11 1-bedroom, 1-bath units. Most of the units have been updated over time. The interiors have been updated, so the property is not in original condition. It has been well maintained. This is a well-maintained asset. Our current cap rate is 5.75%, and the property is offered at 12 times gross, a 12 GRM. Now we have 8,673 rental square feet, and the property is situated on a 15,733 square foot lot. Ample parking, 20 total spaces, which is a combination of carport parking and open space. Now the property offers an on-site pool, on-site laundry facility, so there are great amenities from a tenant's perspective. And now let's talk about the private seller financing. You can purchase this property with as little as 30% down. Payments are 5.5% interest-only payments. 5.5%, that's a great rate relative to the open market, and it's due and payable in 5 years. If you're an investor, you're looking for a multifamily property, you're looking for something in the Eastern San Gabriel Valley, this property offers it all. Great location, well-maintained, great unit mix, great cash flow, over 6% cash flow, and private seller financing. If you think this one is for you, you want to get more information, send me a message here, call me at the office, and who knows, maybe me and you will be doing a deal here soon. Kris German from the Apartment Dealer.